Introduction to Coding through Robotics and Logo with a Math Focus. Video 3. The following appeared in a 2021 Turtle Talk newsletter by Terrapin, creators of Logo. New curriculum from Neufeld Learning Systems brings a fresh perspective to coding with Terrapin Logo and Bluebot. Introduction to Coding through Robotics and Logo leads students into an amazing world rich in math concepts. Each chapter offers objectives and a plethora of fun activities to achieve them. Here in Video 3, we will work with a few of these activities referred to in the Turtle Talk newsletter. You and your group or class may want to log in to Logo on your computer. Recall that you were given the login and password in Video 2. Please see the ebook, page 61, Activity 1, Investigate, Predict, Journal. We could now use the turtle in Logo on your computer to help in investigating. For example, in the second line, predict the path you think will be created and record this on paper. Now pause this video for a few moments and command the turtle with Logo on your computer. Discuss your prediction along with the computer result. Now study the red design at the bottom of the ebook, page 77. Predict. Discuss a set of code that would result in this design. Test your prediction with Logo on your computer. Now pause the video briefly to discuss your prediction. Discuss and test on your computer the two lines of code highlighted on page 77 of the ebook. And we get 24 multiplied by 15 equals 360. Now in another example, see ebook page 88. To help in understanding how angles affect design, please work through the following with a partner and record a summary in your journal. In the diagram to the left, each of the four sweeps in the exterior angles shows the action of a turn that the turtle makes on the screen. First, think through the design. Then, chunk and test one line at a time to match a light-colored design. Command each of the lines, one line at a time on your computer or tablet, to make sure that you understand functions of lines of like color. Now use the highlighted code on page 88 to help you in predicting code for these shapes. Test the code with Logo on your computer. From these diagrams, in a square, 4 exterior turns are all the same. They add up to a circle. Hence, they add up to 360 degrees. The code for designing a square is repeat 4, forward 50, right 90. We will now explore the exciting potential of the computer language Logo in building new learning on existing knowledge. We investigate the following concepts in the ebook. In Chapter 5, we will simplify our work by teaching the turtle a new lesson called a procedure, based on a previous command. Note the graphics at the top of page 122. The turtle is taught lessons. It goes to school. We will give an overview in the examples that follow. We suggest that you and your group use the ebook for more steps to help in discussions leading to understanding. To this point, you communicated with the robot, the turtle, on the computer or tablet screen through a code called Logo. Understand that a procedure is a set of commands used to perform a particular task. We will build lessons and lessons on lessons Here we will teach a lesson, Square, within Logo on your computer. If you need help, recall the process by checking in video 2. Key in 2 Square in the Listener window, and 2 Square appears in the Editor window. Then use Square to teach lines of squares. Try this yourself or with a group. Key in 2 Square in the Listener window. The Editor window will appear. Complete the commands for Square. Then click Run and Square is defined. Then remember to test the lesson. Key in Square and adjust it by adding Slow Turtle within Square. Now teach lines of squares using Square by keying in 2 lines of squares in the Listener window. You will be asked to overwrite. Simply continue. Then, within lines of squares, add Repeat 4, Square Right Turn 90, Forward 60, Left Turn 90. Test the lesson Lines of Squares by entering Lines of Squares in the Listener window. Make additional changes, press Run, and test again. Review and discuss the process. Now we will introduce variables in lessons or procedures. In this chapter, we will learn how to code using a powerful tool, a placeholder or variable. Now we will show our task. Teach Chinese nested boxes with one variable. See page 157 and 161 in the ebook. On page 161, the procedure box L is shown. Teach and test the procedure box L, page 161. When the value of L is 30, simply enter box 30 to substitute 30 for L. Remember that a colon before a letter or set of letters indicates that it is a variable. Please pause the video while you teach, test, and adapt using variables. In Chapter 7, we introduce recursion. See pages 182 and 183 in the ebook, and work through Activity 1 and Ideas 1 and 2. See page 196 to get ideas for stopping a runaway turtle. Now we will open doors to the Logo learning environment in the XY plane. See the ebook pages 202 and 207, work through Concept 1 on page 202, and then read through Concept 4 on page 207, and test Set XY and Set Pause at the bottom of the page. Finally, we will introduce multiple turtles. In this section on projects with multiple turtles, we will establish a process for new learning. In most cases, you will not be told exactly what to do. We would like you and your group to first explore, then do your best to describe the function of given code. Then predict, test, explain, and follow up. Use the ebook page 237 and Logo on your computer to explore the function CTurtles20, tell all, to result in groups of interacting turtles like you see here. Investigate by experimenting and challenging groups in a class. We hope you have enjoyed these videos. Thank you for watching.